na kogo ngwihoya andu aria marathoma tribute ni megukorwo me haha hena uri guthoma ya aciari niwe wa Charles ndamathoma nigetha moke haha tondu ngenda tutemathandi ara tugathie tuthomete uyu akirikia kane uyu ungi no horo cio ni mwega wa Charles niwe uguthoma ya aciari hena uri guthoma ya brothers niwe Alex Kimani wa Charles ndiramuona na yahitukwo ni hegukorwo hatakiri hega to mathaa matiratwitikiria guikara muno. Alex Kimani,
God is good. Bishops, all the gatherers, Hamaritwa, ni Patrick Kairitu, uncle to Esther Wairimu, the other of tribute yako. On behalf of uncles, memories. If it was not God, how? Many things we did together. Now you left not even a word of goodbye. Many things we made, arrangements, promises. Last one being birthday flowers. This one I'll honor Kairitu with the help of the entire family. Big vacuum you left in my life. Daughter, workmate, waking up before cock crows to the Masani. Surely, I believe God will provide me with your copyright, because surely you were unbeatable. Jokes you would make, you would crack. Behaviors you made all of us working together be of the same age. What do I say? It's God who gave it, Esther / Monica, and it's God who has taken her. Our last memorable day at Maragua home. We worked day long. I made you ranch boiled katoke, marigo, and boiled mayai. Reaching home, it was the talk of the night, narrating the story to your social, not knowing it was to be our last meal together. Rest in peace, Mom. Many we can say, remembering her fun you found when assisting me at the shop as a shopkeeper. But now you lay here cold, not even a word. You are good to us. I believe you are good in terms with your mighty father, not forgetting participating at Pefa Church. Bishop Kero, you have lost, but God will give you another one. Good dancer, trainer, mentor of other youths. May our good God reward you abundantly. Parents, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunts, and all entire string attached. We have lost, but it's a lesson. We are all candidates. Where Esther has gone, not knowing which mode of transport, buses, matatu, etc. we shall take. This one was for Esther. Therefore, let's not question, for it was God's will. His name be glorified. Lastly, cause by faith I know you are with God in glory. You joined the band of the latter gone. Say hi to Shosh, your namesake, Uka, and our sons, Gatabia Wanseli, Warosi, Namorika Awini. Till we meet again, rest in peace. Mom will never lapse in my memories. This is just good night. See you in the morning. Bye.
Thank you. Alex Kimani, where are you? Kuhirerio haha ogwo, kuhireria haha. Heno ryo guthoma ya sisters nake ni Grace Maithori. Ndia ndane ana kamero muthome muthiete muthomete ogwo. na uhoro cio ni mwega ya cousins iguthomwo ni Victor Jogona, na hena gira cousins iguthomwo ni Patrick Masharia, na hena ungi nake uretwo wa Kairu onake enayo, na koguo tukwambiriria na ya ciari, tuthomerwo ya ciari, tuthomerwo ya brothers, tuthomerwo ya sisters, tuthie he ya cousins. A cousins ni eri nao makorwo makiriho, na nigetha tucoka turigie na ya wa Kairu, na uhoro cio ni mwega.
Gake tuthome tribute ya aciari. Tribute from parents. She was a lovely and devout daughter.
Rugama haho nigetha mundu ucio arenda gukorana na hau thutha akanyamukaria.
Tribute from parents. She was a lovely and vibrant daughter, taken from us for too soon. But the memory of Esther will live on in our hearts forever. We are so proud of her, and we know that she's at peace. Goodbye, our precious girl. We know you are in heaven now, waving down at us with a cheeky grin on your beautiful face. We love you. Rest in peace until we meet again.
Thank you. Ni guthoma tributes ya brothers jitagwo Alex Kimani, na guthoma na Gikuyu, njoke thome na Githungu onokorwo yandikitwo na Gikuyu. Mwari wa maitu ni uramenyete gutura na nyingi kuhimbiria mothe maria moka. Ni urari na mitugo miega, na makiria mothe ni uramenyete gutuma andu maikorwo mari akenu, ona nyingi maigwe maiganire mari hakuhi nawe. Ni maingi akana ona nyingi makahota kugayana moritu maria maragerera. Mahikiria mothe kana mahinda mothe ni uraturirikanagia ati ni utwendete. Huruka uhoro mwari wa maitu na njira ya Githungu. Sister, you knew how to live and embrace every moment. You had many great qualities, but the most endearing to us was the ability to make people feel comfortable enough to share their worries. At all times, you assured us of your love. Rest in peace, our sister.
Tribute from sisters. Tribute from sisters.
Our tribute, dear sisters, to our beloved sister. As we embark on this journey home, may you ride on the wings of angels. You lived a life deserving of a peaceful journey, and we will meet again. We love you. We loved you. Rest in peace, Wairimu.
From cousins. Did you mean cousins? From cousins we had Victor Jogona and Patrick Masharia.
Tribute from cousins. Esther Monica Wairimu, you have impacted our lives more than you could ever possibly imagine. You are our best friend, our olive garden buddy, our future bridesmaid, and our wing woman.
Thank you. Mwisho tuna tribute ya kanitha. We have a tribute from the church. Thank you.
Mathani ya gosho Hamaretwo nĩ Cege ngĩthoma tribute ya kanitha. Ndĩ ũmwe wa yuthi ũrĩa tũrakoragwo na Monica. Today we gather to celebrate the life of our beloved Esther. Though she was taken from us too soon, her spirit will forever live in our memories. She served faithfully with Church of Pefa.
Kairitu